I always get the same question, which is like, I want to find ready to buy hot qualified leads by just running ads or doing some sort of outreach or paid ad structure when it comes to social media ads or Google ads, whatever it may be, marketing in general. And I used to be that person too. I used to think you run ads, you get a lead, you close a deal, you make money, and that's it. But I think in today's day and age, how everything's changed and everyone's running the same type of ads and everyone's doing direct response marketing, the market changed as well, and people don't trust as easy as they used to do before. And when people say, how can I get qualified leads? How can I get qualified prospects? By just running Facebook ads. That's not going to work anymore. And I think what you need to understand is understanding how can you build trust with these leads? How can you be looked at as an expert? How can you separate yourself from everyone else running the same type of ads or running ads? Work with me, I can help you get this, I can help you do this in X amount of times. It's diluted and everyone sounds exactly the same. Everyone promises these great results. And the thing is, the only way you can build trust and make sales now online is by showing people you are an expert and providing value to a marketplace. So let's take a real estate agent, for example. They're like, I want to run Facebook ads to get leads. Okay, how many real estate agents are running the exact same ad for the exact same property, doing the exact same thing? Thousands in your area alone. So why would someone trust you and why would you expect to get results? The only way you're going to get results is if you provide value to your Instagram, provide value to YouTube, provide value to your email list. And I'm not saying fucking vague, generic value. I'm saying actual value, understanding who you're selling to, understanding what their problems are, what their pain points are, what their motivations are, and then creating content for them. Like a perfect case scenario is this. I used to run ads, get leads on a call, but never be able to close because they didn't really trust me. I'm some random guy promising some results and then them not realizing what value I can propose because everyone's saying the same thing. I started a YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I show them how to get leads, I show real estate agents what to do, what not to do, and just provide value by answering the questions that they're currently facing. Right? And I just got this message. This person booked in a call with my team. Over the call, they weren't really sold. So what happens then is I remarket and retarget them with value-based content, answering the questions that they have in their head. How much to spend on money on ads, how to provide value, how to generate leads, how to automate your business. Those are just all free content I put out on my YouTube channel. I got this email from the same guy. Hey, I had a meeting last Friday. I will accept the offer and work with you. And I'd love to be a case study as well if you want. After studying the videos and almost all of their YouTube content, I'm sure your platform and your service will help my company grow. So you see, that hot, ready to buy lead was created. It wasn't I just found someone random from an ad and they booked in a call and they closed. No, it was because we have organic marketing, we have organic videos, we're providing value, we're building trust. And it takes time for someone to actually want to buy from you. Typically it takes around 7 different touch points. Whether it be to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. They need to see your face and need to see yourself providing value for a lot of different times before they say, okay, I want to buy with you. I want to invest my money with you. So the biggest thing and the biggest thing I try to explain to my clients is ready to buy qualified leads don't really exist. You create them.